Okay, so this is the answer key for activity number 10, pages 167 to 168. Okay, so number 1, we are going to find the derivative of this function. So before that, i-convert muna natin siya sa exponential. Okay, so y is equal to x raised to 3 over 2 minus 1 over x raised to 3 over 2. Now, this is a quotient. Okay, so medyo para mas maging madali yung ating computation, i-convert lang natin siya into a negative exponent. Itaas natin siya sa numerator. Okay, so maging y is equal to x raised to 3 over 2 minus x raised to negative 3 over 2. Now, so we can now get the derivative of this function. So this will be y is equal to, y prime is equal to 3 over 2 x raised to 3 over 2 minus 1 is 1 half minus, this is negative 3 over 2 times negative dito, maging positive na to. So this will become 3 over 2 x raised to negative 3 over 2 minus 1 is maging negative 5 over 2. Okay, so basically ito na rin yung sagot. Pwede pa natin siyang ibalik sa kanyang radical form. So maging y prime is equal to 3 square root of x over 2 plus 3. Ilagay natin sa denominator ito. Ilagay natin sa denominator yung negative 5 over 2 na exponent. So maging 2 square root of x to the 5th. Yan. So this is our final answer. For letter B, we have y is equal to x to the 4th plus pi minus e raised to pi x. Okay? So in this case, we have the sum or difference of mga functions. Okay? So madali lang to. So to get the y prime is equal to 4x cubed. Ang derivative ng pi, since pi is a constant, so 0 na yan. And then ito, ang derivative nito, e raised to pi. Ang e raised to pi is a constant also. So, kung ano exponent ng x, multiply lang natin dito, then mawawala na yung x. So, maging minus e raised to pi na lang siya. So, ito na yung sagot niya. Letter C. Okay, so this is a quotient. So, this is our u. This is our v. Okay? So, u is e raised to x. The derivative of u is e raised to x pa rin. Then, ang ating v is x. Ang dv natin is 1. Then, the derivative of u over v is equal to v du dx minus u dv dx all over v squared. Then, i-substitute na natin yung mga components sa formula. So, v or the denominator is x multiplied by the derivative of the numerator which is e raised to x minus the numerator e raised to x multiplied by the derivative of the denominator which is 1 all over the square of the denominator, which is x squared. And then we simplify it further. So this will become x e raised to x minus e raised to x all over x squared. Pwede pa natin factor yung numerator, magiging e raised to x multiplied by x minus 1 all over x squared. So ito na yung ating y prime. Another one, ito. So, y is equal to x squared minus e raised to x sin x. So, paano siya? So, y prime. So, we have here a product. Okay? So, pwedeng isolve muna natin to ng separate para makuha natin. Pwede rin naman diretso na kung sanay na kayo. Okay? So, in this case, sige, i-separate muna natin yung solution nitong e raised to x sin x. So, ang e raised to x sin x, this is a product. Kunin natin siya. E raised to x sin x. So, this is our u. Sin x is our v. And then, u is e raised to x. Du is e raised to x pa rin. Ang ang v natin is sin x. Ang derivative ng sin is cosine x. So, using the formula, so that is v du dx. So, the denominator, product pala to. So, u dv, u e raised to x times the derivative of the second Derivative of sine is cosine x plus v, which is sine x, times the derivative of the u, which is e raised to x. So, simplify natin. That is e raised to x cosine x plus e raised to x sine x. So, simply, e raised to x times cosine x plus sine x. So, ito yung product natin. Then, pwede natin kunin yung y prime nito. Y prime is equal to, derivative ng x squared is 2x, minus, ang derivative ng e raised to x sine x is ito, minus e raised to x cosine x plus sine x. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Next is, ayan. So, doon na tayo sa number 3, yung pangalawang part ng activity number 10, which is finding the equation of the tangent lines to the following curves. Okay? So, para magawa natin yan, so, para makuha natin ang equation of the tangent line, kailangan natin ng point at kailangan din natin ng slope. Okay? Now, to get the point, so meron na tayong x-coordinate. To get the y-coordinate, isa-substitute lang natin siya dun sa f of x. So, kukunin natin yung f of 2. Ito, na lang. F of 2. F of 2 is 3 times 2 squared minus 2 times 2 plus 1, which is 4 times 3 is 12 minus 4 plus 1. 13 minus 4 is 9. So, our point now is 2, 9. Ayan. Then, to get the slope, kailangan natin kunin yung derivative ng function. Okay? So, derivative of the function and then isa-substitute natin yung value ng x. So, kunin natin yung f prime of x. So, f prime of x is 6x minus 2. Okay? So, this is the derivative of f of x. Then, isa-substitute lang natin yung value ng x dito. So, kunin natin yung f prime of 2 is equal to 6 times 2 minus 2 is equal to 12 minus 2 equals 10. Now, this is our slope. M is equal to 10. So, next, nakuha na natin yung point. Our point is 2, 9. And our slope is 10. Now, using the point-slope formula, so kunin natin, so ang formula natin is y minus y sub 0 is equal to is equal to m times x minus x sub 0. So, this is our x sub 0, this is our y sub 0. Then, paplugin lang natin itong mga values na to get the equation of the tangent line. So, magiging y minus 9 is equal to 10 times x minus 2. Then, y minus 9 equals 10x minus 20. Then, y is equal to 10x minus 11. This is our equation of the tangent line. Another one. Okay, so get the equation of the tangent line. So again, kailangan natin ng point. And kailangan natin ng slope. Now, to get the point, so may x-coordinate na tayo. Our x-coordinate is pi over 4. So, isa-substitute lang natin dito para makuha natin yung y-coordinate. Sa-substitute natin sa g of x. Kukunin natin yung g of pi over 4. So, kung hindi niyo kabisado ang pag-compute nito, so pwedeng gumamit kayo ng calculator. So, kunin natin yung sin pi over 4 plus cosine pi over 4. So, ang sin pi over 4 is square root of 2 over 2 plus square root of 2 over 2. And then we simplify that. That will be square root of 2 plus square root of 2 over 2. Then we simplify further. This will become 2 square root of 2 over 2. Cancel out. Our g of pi over 4 is equal to square root of 2. Then our point is pi over 4, square root of 2. Okay? Now, kailangan naman natin makuha yung slope. So, get the derivative of sin x plus cosine x. So, g prime of x is equal to, ang derivative ng sin x ay cosine x. Ang derivative ng cosine x ay negative sin x o plus negative sin x. And then, simplify natin, the derivative is cosine x minus sin x. So, this is our g prime of x. And then, kunin natin yung slope by substituting the value of x in the equation in the derivative. So, kunin natin yung g prime of pi over 4. So, ang derivative, so this is cosine pi over 4 minus sine pi over 4. So, kung isa-substitute mo to, ang cosine pi over 4 is square root of 2 over 2 minus square root of 2 over 2. Our m is equal to 0. So, square root of 2 minus 2, square root of 2 over 2 minus square root of 2 over 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, our slope is 0. Kung 0 ang slope natin, ibig sabihin ang graph is horizontal. Okay? So, anong equation ng ating tangent line? Kunin natin. So, our point here is pi over 4, comma, square root of 2. And then, our slope is 0. So, syempre, may equation pa rin yung tangent line dyan. So, that is y minus y sub 0 is equal to m times x minus x sub 0. So, that will be y minus square root of 2 is equal to 0 multiplied by x minus pi over 4. So, since this is 0, so automatically 0 na yan. So, y minus square root of 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, the equation of the tangent line is y is equal to square root of 2. Okay, next. Okay, so next one is h of x is equal to x squared e raised to x plus secant x at 0, 1. So, kukunin natin is, again, meron na tayong point. Given na ang point which is 0, 1. Kailangan na lang natin makuha yung slope natin by getting the derivative of this and substitute 0 in the equation. So, that will be, so this is a product, x squared e raised to x. So, kukunin natin siya is, so h prime of x is equal to, pwedeng i-direct na natin ito, okay? So, that will be x squared, this is our u, x squared multiplied by the derivative of v which is e raised to x. Ang derivative nito is e raised to x. Okay, plus e raised to x multiplied by the derivative of x squared which is 2x. Okay? Plus, anong derivative ng secant x? O kung titingnan niyo dun sa ating listahan ng mga derivative, the derivative of secant x is secant x tangent x. Okay? And then we simplify further. This will be x e raised to x x squared plus e raised to x 2x. Pagtarin natin. Actually, any of the two naman. So, masanay lang ako na una yung x squared e to the x plus 2x e to the x plus secant x tangent x. So, is equal to, i-factor natin to. So, yung e raised to x multiplied by x squared plus 2x plus secant x tangent x. Then now, so ito na yung ating derivative. Okay? So, pwede na natin substitute. Kunin natin yung h prime of 0. So, that will be e raised to 0 is equal to 1. So, this is 0. 0 squared plus 2x is maging 0 din. 0 plus 0 is 0. Pag minultiply mo yun dito sa e raised to x, is 0 ito. 0. Then, ang second 0 is, ang second 0, kung pipindutin ninyo sa calculator ninyo, pakita natin. Second 0. Saan ang calculator ko? Scientific. Second 0. Second 0 is equal to 1. Multiplied by tangent 0. Tangent 0. Tangent 0 is equal to 0. So that will be 1 times 0 is equal to 0. Our slope here is 0. So our point is 0, 1. Then our slope is 0. Again, pag 0 ang slope, horizontal yung graph niyan. Okay, but there's still, there is still an equation of the tangent line. So, complete natin yung equation. Y minus y sub 0 is equal to m times x minus x sub 0. So, that will be y minus 1 is equal to 0 times x minus 0. So, 0 na to lahat. So, y minus 1 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 1. So, this is our equation of the tangent line. Okay? Meron pa ba? So, wala na yata. So, that will be all. So, I hope na unawaan ninyo at pwede nyo nang checkan yung inyong activity number 10. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.